Hi everyone, welcome back to a small engineer tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to restring a trimmer head for Stihl FS45 or FS38. All you need to have is a piece of trimmer line and a piece of cutter. For today's tutorial I'm using a 2.4 mm size. And let's get started. Okay, first is grab at least 3 meters of the trimmer line. 1, 2, and 3. Make sure that there's no old trimmer line left inside the trimmer head. So undo or remove the trimmer head by removing the screw knob and remove the bobbin. So make sure that there's nothing in here and then just put it back. So to put it back, just move the bobbin so you can push the bump knob. So just screw it back. Now, before we insert our trimmer line, we need to find the reference or the alignment for this one. So there are arrows that you need to align. So the bobbin arrows, there are 4 arrows, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the outside has 2 arrows, 1 and 2. So you need to align the either of the arrows of the inside arrow to the outside arrow. And you can hear also the click of the bump knob. So once it's lined up, these 2 arrows here also lines up on the other side. Now we can insert the trimmer line. I'll show you what happens when we align these arrows. So each arrow has corresponding hole inside the bobbin. So this arrow has its hole inside, this arrow has its hole inside, and the 4th arrow is the hole inside. So inside has 4 holes in it. This is where the line will go in. So each hole, when the arrow lines up with the arrow on the outside, the opposite holes will also lines up on the eyelets or the holes in the side. So first is to make sure that our fuel trimmer line is not flattened, so you could trim to make it round. Make sure that it will go into the bobbin easily. So you can test it, make sure that it will go in to any of the hole inside. And also the other side, the other end, make sure that it will go in easily. Okay, so I'll put this one back and we'll lines up into where the arrow is. So it's now lines back to where the arrow is. Okay, grab one end of the trimmer line and insert into this eyelet here. Make sure that it's straight, not curved or not curved. So try to find where you can feel that it goes in and then it just stopped there. So roughly an inch from the outside it stopped. So also grab the other end and rotate the trimmer head and insert this one as well. And I can feel that it's going in, and it doesn't go past that, because once it doesn't go in properly, you keep pushing it and it's keep going. So you find where the spot or the hole is. You can feel it. It only goes in by at least an inch. So once it's in, just rotate the bobbin head counterclockwise. Keep doing it. Just keep rotating. until you have a few lengths left. So these two round loop, you need to cut this one. Once we cut this one end will just slightly hit on the blade on the side. So just rotate one more and we cut on the middle. So you already have the two ends of the trimmer line. Just right hitting on the blade. So how it's easy to install the trimmer line. Wow, that's easy. So next time when you do the lawn mowing or trimming, no need to remember, just visit this video tutorial. And thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and likes, and see you next time, and bye for now.